Studies shown that colors affect our moods, feelings, and behaviors. Today, we'll be checking out the TP-Link Tapo L900's smart Wi-Fi light strips. It has full color ambience for every occasion. You can set it to blue if you want to feel productive, warmer colors if you want to relax while enjoying some movies, or set it to red before you want to start an argument. Before I get out of topics, hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 33. I do fast and short text reviews on the channel. That's how the name came about. Let's have a quick unboxing and check what's inside this box. There are user manual, the LED strip, a power adapter, and the LED strip controller. The Tapo L900 that I have here has a 5-meter length with 3M peel and stick adhesive on the back. You can cut it to your desired length. The LED beads on the TP-Link Tapo L900 are a lot brighter compared to other cheap LED strips and have up to 50,000 hours of lifespan, meaning it could easily last 4 to 5 years by having it on 24/7. Besides changing colors, it's also dimmable for different scenario usage. It uses a standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, so no hub is required. To set up is pretty easy and quick with the TP-Link Tapo apps. Download the apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Launch the app, select light strip categories, pick Tapo L900, follow the instructions on the screen to connect to your home Wi-Fi. It should be paired within minutes. You get to have a lot of control through the apps like colors, brightness, effects, and timer. Here are some preset custom lighting effects to choose from in the TP-Link Tapo apps. You can even customize your own. The TP-Link Tapo L900 support Google Home Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Apple Home to integrate into your smart home setup. Here are a few use scenarios of the TP-Link Tapo L900. I can schedule when to turn it on or off, which doesn't only save electricity, it can also create an impression that there are people in the house although you are away. You can get the TP-Link Tapo L900 5 meters for only Rm99 ringgit. Easy to set up and flexible to install anywhere you want. To take note, the LED strip is not waterproof, so it's not meant for outdoor. That's all for now. If you have any questions about the TP-Link Tapo L900, to leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or consider subscribing if you enjoy short text review like this. Do take care, and I'll see you at the next one.